Stop wasting 3 hours a day fighting with Excel formulas when you could just tell your spreadsheet what to do in plain English. I'm serious. SheetXAI completely changed how I work with data. Instead of spending my morning crafting complex VLOOKUP formulas that break every time someone adds a row, I literally just type, clean this data and remove duplicates. And boom, it's done in seconds. Last week, I had a messy client database with 5,000 contacts that needed deduplicating and formatting. What used to take me half a day now happens instantly. The crazy part? It works directly in Excel and Google Sheets, so you don't need to learn new software. Whether you're generating reports, splitting columns, or creating charts, SheetXAI handles it all with simple commands. Sales teams are already using this to automate their entire pipeline, while their competitors are still stuck in spreadsheet hell. Don't let another day slip by doing manual work that AI can handle. Try SheetXAI today and get those 3 hours of your life back.